Hey, hi guys, this is ArpitaTulsyan here. I hope you all are doing good. Yes, so this video is for all those students who could not see the word successful in their results, which were announced yesterday by the ICAI for CAFinal November 24. Uh, okay, so there are, we know, like, yes, many of them have cleared, many of them couldn't clear, many of them were successful, many of them's success has been postponed. Yes, so let's talk about it, let's discuss about it. How do we restart, ma'am? How do we go ahead? Let's discuss about all these things. Okay, first thing that I want to tell you, now it's over. Okay, now it's over. The results were out last night. You saw the results. You couldn't sleep. It affected you a little. Okay, I understand. Okay, even I have been through such phases, but that's okay. It's over now. Okay, in the long run, later on, it is not even going to matter. Okay, trust me, it is not even going to matter to you all at all. It's just that you should have that self confidence within yourself that okay, something was not up to mark, something was not up to mark, and now I want to do it again. Okay, first thing that I told you is self confidence. Okay, there should be no self doubt. Okay, it should not be like, will I be able to do it again? I did my best, will I be able to give something more than the best? Please don't self doubt yourself. Okay, self confidence, just I know it is very difficult at this moment. It's not even been 12 hours since the results were out as of now when I'm putting this particular video, but that's okay. Okay, artificially try to, for the timing, artificially try to build that confidence into you that yes, I can do it. Just keep on saying to yourself, I have to do it, I will do it. Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing, if at all, by chance, if it has come to your mind, should I be giving the upcoming May 25 exams, or should I prepare myself in a better manner and should I give November 25? Or now I had given both the groups, now in May, should I give only one group? If these things are coming into your mind, please don't take any decision in haste. Okay, in any hurry, please don't take any decision. It's not that you have to fill the exam form today. Okay, it's not that you have to answer this question to anyone today. No. Okay, give yourself that time. Please don't take any decision when you are in this particular mood. Okay, secondly, okay, relating to this attempt thing, please don't give yourself that option. Okay, please don't give yourself that comfort. Okay, I will skip a May attempt and I might go for November 25. My preparations will be even more better. No, see, if you give yourself that extra time, you yourself will go in that comfort zone. Okay, and once you go in that comfort zone, I should not even tell you, you all, or you already know it much better than me. Things get very slow, we get very lethargic, right? So please don't give yourself that option of postponing the attempt. Okay, 6 months are crucial. Okay, 6 months are crucial. You have to tell yourself that in the upcoming attempt, I have to do it anyhow. If you're left with both the groups, I have to do it. If you're left with any one group, then though it's half already done, right? So please don't give yourself that option. Can I postpone my attempt? Should I postpone my attempt? Please don't do it. Okay, please don't do it, because somewhere or the other you have to get out of that comfort zone. Okay, if not now, later in the life you will get so many circumstances, so many situations where by sitting in comfort zone things do not work. Okay, things do not work. So you have to get out of comfort zone, be a little disciplined, be a little strict with yourself, that okay, I have to do it, I am left with no choice. Okay, this is one thing which I want to tell you. And we have to kind of like we say, I take this particular thing as a challenge. Okay, positive challenge, that okay, I was unsuccessful, no problem, my success has been postponed by a few months, I will do it. Okay, you have to commit this to yourself that I will do it. Yes. Okay. And the best time, the best time to restart is now. Okay, see what will happen now that your results were out. I understand you might be feeling that I need 1 or 2 days break. 1 or 2 days is still okay. Okay, not more than that. Then you have to restart back, because now is the time. See, later na, if you, let's say you delay your restarting your preparations by a week or so, later when you fall short of time na, you will remember, oh, I should have started my studies a little earlier. That break was not at all required, because we are again into the flow. So as soon as possible restart, because this is the time. Okay, this is the time. Please restart as early as possible. Okay, if you are, if you have the habit of making some timetable or something like that, please make sure that you start doing that. Okay, a planner or a timetable, please start doing that. Okay, if you are like in no mood to do that, no problem, whichever group is applicable to you, take up that particular subject, restart. Okay, if you're not able to schedule as of now, that's okay. Study something, at least start with it. You will get into the flow. At least start gathering your books and all those things, right? That is another thing. Okay, and now considering today is 27th of December, right? Today is 27th of December. Standing as on 27th of December, you really have sufficient time for May 25 examinations. Okay, forget about December also. You have January, February, March, April. These 4 months you have got, right? 4 months, considering the fact that you have already studied it once before. Okay, then these 4 months are sufficient. Please don't just put yourself in that comfort zone that no, I won't be able to do it. No, you can do it. Last time also you managed, you managed to study, so now you just have to revise it again. You have to practice a little more. If if you're left with group 2, say for example, you have to deal with the amendments. That's it. You don't have to study everything from the scratch, right? So you have sufficient time. Tell this to yourself. Don't push yourself into that comfort zone, because comfort zone, see, it's not that I'm against it, but once we start getting used to that comfort zone na, it's very difficult to get back to track. I hope you are understanding my point. Yes. See, when even I was in my CA finals, someone told me that there will be two paths. Okay, one is discipline, consistency, and all those things, and another thing is going to be regret, pachtawa. Okay, now it's up to you which one you want to choose. Should it be discipline? I have to be disciplined. I cannot lie to myself. I have to be consistent. I have to study properly, consistently, every day, little. I want to increase. Okay, if I don't do this, I know I will have to regret after a few months. So the choice is yours. Should you be disciplined, consistent, regular, etc., or should you regret later? Obviously, no one would love to face a second one, that is the regret thing, right? So we know we have to be disciplined. Okay, if we know we cheated somewhere, okay, we left something important, we did not study something important, no problem, do it now. Okay, now at least don't lie to yourself. Okay, now at least try to cover those things. So discipline, consistency, okay, that will pay you off. And the rewards are going to be so sweet. The rewards are going to be so nice, that these small failures will get hidden somewhere, and then later in your life you will laugh, oh god, how much I was crying for my CA final negative results, right? So it's just a matter of time. Let this time pass. Okay, it is difficult, I understand. I can totally step into your shoes and I can understand. It is very difficult. Even I have faced failures. Okay, it is difficult, but we have to overcome. Na? That is what is called as life. We have to overcome, we have to go ahead, we have to stand back strong again, right? And another problem, another thing is, see, if you face for a particular subject, if you face that, okay, this is the problem, Okay, this area was problematic. I could not do this. No problem. Identify. Okay, if you're starting with a particular subject, identify the problem. Okay, think what can be the possible solution. As if someone is coming to you with a problem, think like that. Think about a solution. Okay, this chapter I don't understand at all. Okay, I need to see some classes. Okay, this chapter I understood, but I did not do the practice. Now do the practice. Okay, this chapter I have done so many times. I like this chapter, still I'm not able to recollect the provisions. No problem, revise it again. Right? So whatever issues you have with your particular subject, identify it. Okay, identify it, find a solution to that. If you don't find a solution, how will you be able to solve that problem? Right? This is relating to studies. If you have any other issues, ma'am, office is a problem, or articleship is a problem, or I don't get time, or something like that, think about a solution. Ma'am, I'm not able to study at home, there are many people at home, or something, some other problems I have. No problem, maybe you can talk about that at home, or join a library or something like that. Okay, ma'am, mobile phone is my distraction, this is my problem. No problem, be a little thodu sa, be a little hard on yourself. Okay, try to cut down that. Okay, social media is going to be there itself. It is going, after 4 months also, if you switch on your phone and go back to social media, it is going to be all the same. Okay, so we have to curb it, we have to reduce it, we have to restrict the usage, because that is what, if we keep on scrolling, that is what is taking most of our time as well as energy, na? Then you feel tired, and then you feel like, okay, I don't want to study. Okay, try to curb. I'm not telling, okay, from tomorrow phone band. No, I'm not telling you that, but try to curb, try to restrict it. Okay, and it will hardly take you maybe 10 days to develop that as a habit. Yes, so whatever is your problem, please identify your problem, find a solution, talk to someone, message me, whatever you have. See, there is a solution to everything. Our problem is not that big, trust me. There is a solution to everything. Identify your problem, find a solution, and you are good to go. Okay, always remember. Next time when you want to see that result after putting your roll number, captcha code, etc., all I want to see is my name, the subject, marks, whatever. But below that, I want to see the word successful. I just want to see the word successful. This is what you have to keep on imagining each day, every day before you go to sleep. Every day. After a full day of studies, at night, before going to bed, imagine that. Before going to sleep, imagine that. Positivity, manifestation is this. Yes, next time you close your eyes, you should see your name and you should see the word successful. Yes, along with studies. Studies you have to do with that discipline, consistency, and do this. Do this positivity exercise, do this manifestation. It will work for you. Trust me, it will work for you. Yes, and always remember, you have to do it. Okay, you have to do it and you can do it. You have to do it and you can do it. You are kind of, teachers are there to support you, parents are there to support you, but the person who needs to study is alone you. So you have to do it. You have to do it for yourself. You have to do it for your parents. You have to do it for teachers. Yes, and you have to do it for that society. Okay, for that society, for those people who always keeps on asking you, when will you become CA, when will you become CA? Okay, we don't have to give any back answers, but we have to give an answer with our positive results. Yes, so you have to do it for your parents, you have to do it for yourself, most importantly, you have to do it for teachers, and you have to do it for that particular society. Are you understanding? Yes, and trust me, you can do it. Okay, give yourself a sufficient, very restricted sufficient time to get out of this particular zone. Start afresh. It can be done. Every problem has a solution. Trust me, every problem has a solution. and just do it. Somehow do it. Okay, get out of that comfort zone. You just have to pull up your socks now and you have to get back to track. Okay, and it's only you who can do it. Yes, so I hope uh, this video was helpful for you. Please share it with every friend of yours who was unsuccessful in this November 24 examinations, and please start manifesting that successful for your next result. Yes, thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best, sending all the positive wishes to you all. Keep me updated, keep me posted about your journey. Yes, and I hope to see you all successful in the upcoming examinations. Thank you so much.